Okay, what's up guys, Vinny here, back with another video today, and today we are playing Animal Company, and I haven't played this in a long time, but as you guys know from my first video of this series, I am giving all of the games that I used to play all the time a chance. I'm going to be doing Gorilla Tag, Animal Company, Orion Drift, Crowbar Climber. I'm gonna be doing a lot. At least 5 games. And this is episode 2. Also today is April Fool's Day. Yes. So there should be an April Fool's update here. Also, Drake is going to be joining us later in the video. He's editing one of his videos right now. So, let's just get into this. What is this? Hey. How is this? How much is this sell for? All? What the? Why did I sell that? Whatever, so there is a digging update. I'm gonna wait to do that with Drake. Right now, we're just gonna... I don't know. Oh, he's here.
What is there to the April Fool's update? Like, what is there?
Your mic's glitching out.
What is there in the new update?
Yeah. A digging update and an egg that I already put in the selling machine.
What is the April Fool's thing?
I don't know.
What?
We'll have to figure it out. I hope ads don't come on. The edge is bad. Don't sell it. It only sells for 105. Put it in your stash. It'll be rare.
Oh yeah. I'm putting it in a bag. That
okay, so this update is a digging update. I haven't played this in a long time, so there should be a lot of updates. But first, before anything else, I need to get my daily company coins. Well, like monthly now, but they don't play. Yay. How many company coins do I have? 719. Not bad.
I put in my video of Gorilla Tag. Now, mining? Wait, where is the mining?
Digging. Huh.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh my god.
So get a hook shot.
Then you might be right. My bangs are getting too long. Like I literally can't see right now.
Pickaxe.
Like literally.
I'm gonna get drill.
Get out of my eyes. All right, what do we need? A pickaxe.
Ah. Okay, there. Now I have a drill. Okay.
Oh yeah, drill. Wait, can you give me one?
Yeah.
Can you give me one?
Realty, I'm doing this.
Thank you. Wait, what do we need?
A pickaxe, a hook shot, a drill, and a backpack.
Where are the hook shots? I can't find them.
They're in the gadgets. Gadgets and weapons. I don't like the new shot.
Oh, there you go. What, Vinny, what hand do you mine with? I mine with my left because
I mine with my right.
Alright. Vinny, oh, this thing is actually cool. Alright, let's go. Should you make a video about it?
I am. This is episode 2 of giving a bunch of games a new chance. First was Gorilla Tag, and I gave it a thumbs up. Now it's Animal Company, and I don't know. I remember it was fun, so probably a thumbs up. I don't quite know yet.
Wait for me. Actually, I have to record mine.
What the heck? Where are you going? Where are you going?
I have to record my video again.
Whatever.
1 sec.
Okay, well I'm gonna cut to when we actually do this.
Alright, Alright, I have to collect my egg. Wait one sec.
Yes. You're good. Alright, why'd you leave the game?
Alright, I'm gonna stuff back.
Here's your drill.
Hi guys, it's DW Game back with an actual video, and today is the April Fool's update in Animal Company. So first they got this egg. I already put one in my stash because I want to save it when it's rare. So what you can
Sells
do?
for 105.
It sells for 105. To actually save like it sells for 105. But guys, look. It sells for 105, so it's not a lot. But I did put one in my stash just in case it gets just in case it gets rare.
It'll be worth
But
something good when it's not in the game anymore because it's rare. It'll be worth a lot.
So we don't know what April Fool's pranks are in this update yet, but we did see this. It's like mining. And we got these drills.
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, so finally, Drake's done. So we're gonna do this. Whoa!
Whoa!
What the flip is this?
What the flip?
Where's the mines?
Oh my god!
Oh, you can mine with your pickaxe.
I know, but the drill is a lot faster.
Oh my gosh, is this like the new mines?
Literally, oh my gosh, guys. Who needs a prank when you can find gems just by digging?
Yeah, I like the pranks though. They usually do good pranks.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are some good pranks. Good if we have a grass in there so you can get that far.
Hey, Drake! I see you!
Oh! Hey, what is this?
Whoa.
What the heck is this?
What is that?
Oh, is that new? It's a new ore. Oh, it's a carrot.
A carrot! For the Easter bunny.
Wait, let's. Oh, we can eat it.
Don't eat it. It could sell for a lot.
Oh yeah, let's go back and see how much it sells for.
I'm gonna stay here.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a backpack.
I'm gonna look for more carrots. Oh, I found another carrot. Where is it? Where's the carrot? The carrot. I need to know where the carrot is.
Vinny, I got the carrot. I'm gonna go see how much it sells for.
Okay, I actually found another carrot. Okay. We need to bring this. Just from this animal company is a big. Drake, Roger this. I need you to come right now. I found something big. I found something big. I need you to come right now. Over.
To what? To what?
I don't even know what it is, but I want you to be here for me to mine it out. Come quick.
Alright, one sec. The carrot didn't sell for anything.
That's weird. But come quickly.
I'm coming.
I see you.
Hi.
Come in this hole. See?
Alright. What is that?
I don't know. But we have to mine it out.
We can't.
You mine one side, I mine the other.
There's nothing here.
Yes, there is. Do you see this?
Oh, this is a pole.
Mine it out.
I'll mine this side since there's more here.
Okay, yeah, this is just a pole.
Oh my gosh.
I thought this was
Okay, well.
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep mining this hole.
Alright, I'm gonna go back up to keep mining in my hole. I thought you had to sound something.
So did I.
What is Why do I hear Armstrong?
No. I don't hear Armstrong.
For some reason
I made it down to stone.
Vinny, I found a pipe. I found a pipe.
So did I. Oh my gosh, this it's gold. Wait, Drake, come down here. It's bigger.
Where are you?
Okay, yeah, that's an Armstrong.
Where? Let me see. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where? Why is there Armstrong?
I don't know, but come down here.
Did you find a pipe? I did too.
Oh, it's just wired.
No, I'm going back to my...
Carrot! Carrot!
How many?
One. But still, one is a lot.
They don't sell for... They sell for 0 when I checked.
Oh.
I sell that. But still keep it as a rare thing that we can keep in our stash.
Yeah.
But you got a backpack, I do too.
Yeah, I have a backpack.
Oh my god, this wire's blocking me away from getting...
So you have a hook shot.
Did you see the Armstrong at all?
No, I didn't see him, but I heard him. Okay, well, I think I mined to the bottom. Drake, I found an abandoned area.
Let me see, where are you?
I'm over here. Where are you?
Come back up.
I'm here.
I'm right here.
Okay,
here.
come down.
This video might be a little on, like maybe an hour, but you guys should enjoy it. This is actually so cool.
Come down here.
Oh my gosh, this is super cool.
You might
What
be
is
at just
down
the
here?
end, but no. Look.
2 carrots! Wait, oh, there's a carrot over. I'll get this carrot.
I'll get this one.
Carrot. I got this carrot in the
Just keep
back.
mining in this area. I got company coins. There's a couch. And there's a skeleton.
Oh, what the? There's a body.
What's this? You can't mine through.
Maybe we need stronger too. Like a rocket launcher. Wait, no, we should actually try that.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go get a rocket launcher.
Okay, just remember where this place is.
I think I do. And you know if I actually lost.
Oh, a monkey. This is so cool, guys. Also, if you're wondering why I just cut, It's because I was talking to my parents. Okay. Drake, are you here? You almost here?
I'm just putting.
You're what?
Putting the chair in my step.
Okay.
Here we go, did it. I got the rocket launcher.
Okay, come quick. Do you have ammo?
No, only one. Hey, almost here.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Coming.
Okay.
What? Should I? Wait, where's the area we couldn't mine again? Like here?
Wait, Drake, don't mind that. It's not gonna work.
No, I want to see if I can explode it.
Okay, but can you put it like somewhere also close to where you can mine it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Are you laughing or anything? I don't think rocket launchers can break this stuff.
Yes, it can.
Can?
Maybe, actually. What's the thing?
Just help me
I'm
break
just going
this.
far. Oh!
I don't really know what we're supposed to be looking for, but I think we're finding something good. Wait, there's something
Yeah.
here. Oh, sorry.
Cindy, come here!
What?
Shortcut, come here! Between this gap!
A shortcut. There's another room. Okay, we're gonna have to mine.
Oh my god! What the heck?
What the?
What?
Okay, yeah, that's April Fool's update, alright.
Ready, come back! Come
One
back!
sec, I need to my pickaxe out.
Eat the carrots, then it will regen you.
I'm fine.
No skill. You have to kill that thing. What the heck is that?
I don't know. I hear it! I hear it!
Oh my god! Sorry. I'm recording a Sorry.
He's so creepy.
But it's
What
scary.
the heck is that thing? Killing him! We need to kill him.
Where is he?
I don't know, but he's going into the wall.
Okay, ready, just run. Run back, run back.
No, I can't.
Roll. Got him, 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 run.
How much health does this guy have?
A billion.
Of course, this chill area has to have a monster. Why can't there be like a safe area? where you can actually do something.
Oh my god! What the? Oh, he's after you. He's after you.
He is after.
Oh my god, he's slithering.
Is he dead?
No.
What is
I'm
he
dead.
going to be?
Never.
I don't like this guy. I'm gonna name him.
I'm gonna name him Scary Bob.
I want to name him something that
He's
starts with
behind
an
Oh,
S. Stanley, Steven,
Scooby. Wait, no,
Scooby.
No, that's a YouTuber. That's an us YouTuber.
Oh. Scrappy.
Yeah, Scrappy.
Okay, Steven, Scrappy, and Stanley. I like Stanley the best. He's the next guy in the office. And then Jane. Oh gosh.
Danny, run!
Okay, run.
Thank you. Run, I'm at 1 HP. Run,
Yeah, I know.
run.
I'll keep him off you.
Run! Danny, run!
I think you need some carrots.
How
There
much
you go.
food?
I also do. What the?
Well,
It's a flashlight.
what the? Oh! It makes you see!
Knew I had to do something. Did we scare him off? I think we scared him off. But I found another room.
You think
Okay.
that big of a thing? Vinny, we did not scare him off!
We didn't.
No.
I think we have to mine his area.
How much would I keep going?
Oh, nope, we did not scare him off.
How would we scare that big of a thing? He's like a fish, but no.
Yeah, he's like a bony fish.
What, bro? He in the walls. Get him. We lost him. Oh, got him.
Sorry.
Ow. I'm not even hitting him. All I'm hitting is you.
Your eyes are a flashlight.
Oh my. I need help.
Where's your body? Here.
Oh, I'm a better.
Go.
Go. Just run.
Doja Cat. What the?
Vinny, go. Please tell me he can't come here.
I don't think you can.
He can come. We're cooked.
He can't. I don't think he can be killed.
I mean, we were damaging him, or that was just us hitting ourselves.
Yeah, I think it was that.
What
You wanna
does
go
mine up?
You want to go snowboarding?
No. Do you want to dig a new hole?
Yeah.
How about this? Let's try to make a hole everywhere, so like it's just a big open thing instead of like a land that we can walk on.
First we're gonna do the first layer, and then we're gonna do the second layer, and then a third layer, then a fourth. We're gonna do a bunch of different layers.
I like that. Look.
Ah! Thank God. Alright, did little holes everywhere.
Hey, this is gonna be very long video, right?
Yeah.
Like an hour.
Yeah, maybe.
Who cares?
Not me. Okay, yeah, I'm not even done playing. giving this is a thumbs up. What about you?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, we'll definitely be playing more Gorilla Tag and Animal Company.
Yeah.
Next up, Orion Drift.
Actually, Vinny.
He can come up here!
Oh my god, what the? Oh, I think we can damage him. Wait, get away from me. I want to see if he can damage us. I mean, if we can damage him. Oh, we can actually damage him. Vinny, let's make holes everywhere so he can come up instead of staying down there.
Yes.
Let's make holes.
This is a very big mining spot.
Oh, I'm damaging him.
Oh God! His butt! His butt! Oh no, that wasn't
Vinny,
his butt. That was
Vinny, there's two of them.
There is?
Two of them.
Let me up!
One is massive and one is small. Vinny, remind me.
I can't!
See, I told you there's two.
I can't revive you, I'm sorry.
Where's my body?
I don't know.
Just don't revive me.
Fine, I'll try.
Just only hold your grappler. Never mind.
Okay, yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm sorry,
Does it
Drake.
show where my body is?
Yeah, it's in that hole.
We have to go down.
I can't, I'm sorry.
Respawn, okay?
Okay. Grab some weapons.
Yeah, I'm bringing a rocket launcher and a ton of rocket ammo.
Okay. My dead body is... Oh. My dead body was mining.
Don't steal my rocket launcher. This is for me. You can get your own stuff.
Yeah, I know. And then I'll get a hook shot.
Alright, I think I'm good.
Now I need to get a backpack.
And now 1,000 rocket ammo.
I need to get a rocket launcher first.
Oh yeah. And then rocket ammo.
RPG. Oh, they lowered the cost. It used to be 20,000. Now it's 10,000.
No, it was always 10,000.
Oh. Sorry.
Sorry, don't leave me. I want you. Okay. I need you here with me.
Here. Okay, well, I'm going to buy a ton of rocket. Okay, no, I don't want shotgun ammo. I want rocket. I want a rocket ammo.
How much are you actually getting?
As many as I can until my my cart. Until I
Your cooldown?
get my cooldown.
I'm just on my second cooldown now. And that's all I'm doing because I'm like heavy big back.
Alright,
Alright, let's go.
I'll do this.
I don't have a drill because I haven't unlocked it, but I'll just use RPG. Oh my god.
Wait, I
Gonna
had
be
the
a
best
while.
idea.
Huh.
RPG. Not RPG.
The snackies?
No, Radon. But I can't get it.
Why?
Because I'm on my cooldown.
I'll get one.
Oh, I got one and it's in my backpack. Nice.
I'm still on cooldown. Of course. Alright, I bought one.
I need to get rid of this
What?
drill. But no, I probably
Wait,
should.
which one is teleport? Which one is teleport? Green or red?
I think red.
No, it isn't. It's blue. Oh yeah, it's blue. Come on, Vinny.
Okay, I'm just getting ready.
Yes, it's blue, by the way.
Thanks. What the? How do I pick this up?
Pick what up?
Oh, there. It was red.
No.
It's red. Look. You can pick it up and it's a lot less heavy.
Oh, that's what you're doing. I thought you were doing it to teleport.
No, I can just use the teleportation gun.
Vinny, my bag is not found anymore. I lost it.
Ooh, it's tough.
I tried picking it up, but of course that didn't work. I picked up my rocket launcher and...
I shot him and he's not dead.
Well, maybe he's just strong.
Yeah, what do you think?
Not sure, actually. Alright, getting a new backpack again.
These guys are invincible.
No, they aren't, trust me. They're... Hurry up.
I killed myself before I could kill the thing.
Alright, I'm gonna go
So am I.
to the cave. I don't want to do it on red because I don't want to repeat up what happened.
No.
There we go.
You won. Where's my RPG? Now I'm using for a stick. Oh, yep, that works.
These RPGs do almost nothing to the ground.
What?
These RPGs do almost nothing to the ground.
Yeah. Golden revolver. Revolver ammo.
I just damaged him and it didn't do nothing.
Oh.
Maybe I can get the wood or...
I think you guys are here just to annoy us.
Who?
I think these guys are here just to annoy us.
Monsters?
Yes.
Vinny, I'm gonna end my video, okay?
Okay. Come on.
a Ryan just now?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'll call you in a minute.
Okay, Ty. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Peace out.